So as I'm sure everybody knows by now, Alina Habba recently lost her job as the interim U.S. Attorney for New Jersey because she hit the 120-day deadline to either get confirmed or move your butt out. Alina Habba, of course, did not get confirmed by the Senate, so she was replaced by the panel of federal judges in New Jersey, as they have the legal authority and right to do, by her number two, a woman by the name of Desiree Grace, who was, unlike Habba, an experienced prosecutor. A tough on crime, no nonsense. I believe she was a Republican based on what I've read. And the court said, okay, well, she was Habba's number two, and now that Habba's gone, we just have to make her the acting U.S. attorney, and she gets to hold that post for 210 days until somebody can be confirmed. Well, after that happened, Pam Bondy came in and said, I have fired Desiree Grace. So then New Jersey was like, well, I guess we don't have a U.S. attorney now. And Pam Bondy, by doing that, of course, kind of created this judicial legal nightmare where nobody knew what was going to happen because they didn't have a U.S. attorney. But fear not, folks, because Alina Habba has come out and said, don't worry, I'm your U.S. attorney. Even though I had to resign my post last week, I'm still your U.S. attorney. In fact, I am now not the interim U.S. attorney. I am the acting U.S. attorney. And because I'm now the acting U.S. attorney, I get another 210 days on the job to, of course, prosecute as many Democrats as I can, because that's the only thing she's done. And again, Alina Habba has zero prosecutorial experience. And that is why, of course, she's been admonished by the judge, for so very many things. She's under an ethics investigation for basically forcing a woman that worked at Donald Trump's golf resort to sign a non-disclosure agreement and a pathetic settlement so that Habba could gain favor with Trump back in the day. So that investigation's going on. And now, even though she's been removed from her post, she's like, no, I'm not leaving. I'm not going anywhere. I'm now your acting U.S. attorney, and I'm sticking around for at least 210 more days. Now, we have seen, I'm not kidding, on a daily basis, just the most insane, irrational, childlike, disturbing, disgusting behavior from this entire administration, top to bottom, left to right, front to back. Okay? There is no shortage of insanity. But for Alina Habba to just come in and make the announcement that, no, now I'm the acting U.S. attorney, I didn't see an official announcement. I didn't see where somebody who actually had the authority to do that did it. Now, I'm not saying it didn't happen. Maybe it did, and I just can't find it. Perhaps I've gotten bad at Google over 21 years here. But I'm pretty sure she just decided, I'm going to do this, to hell with the court ruling. Here I am. Deal with it. This is insane, folks. And the worst part about this, like having to tell this story, is I don't know how to fix it. I don't know that the courts know how to fix it. I don't think we've ever been in this situation. The courts made a ruling and said, no, Alina Habba, you can't stay. Pam Bondy said, to hell with you, court. I'm firing the person you used to replace her. And then Habba just swoops in out of nowhere and says, no, I'm still here. Here I am. I don't know. And I hate not know. Like, I wish I had an option like, okay, now they have to do this, but I don't know. All I know is that Alina Habba seems to have lost her damn mind and has basically, I don't know, possibly illegally commandeered the U.S. Attorney's Office for the District of New Jersey. And we should all be pretty worried about that. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. We got fresh content every day for you. And if you want to follow us across social media, make sure you check out all of the social links that we have posted in the description of this video.